Hey guys, welcome back to PhotoCut. In today's video, we're going to see how to improve the quality of photos using Canva. First, load the image in Canva. As you can see, the image quality is very low. To improve the image quality, add a new page and click on Apps. Scroll down until you find Image Enhancer and click on it. Upload the image you want the quality to be improved and enable Enhance Face option, and proceed. After the image is processed, click on Add to Design and resize the image. As you can see the difference. The quality of the image is improved, but there's an even easier way you can do this. By just using your phone. Start by downloading the PhotoCut app, using the link provided in the description below. After installing the app, open it to discover its numerous features. It's designed to boost your creative potential in ways you never thought were possible with a mobile app. Begin by selecting the AI Enhance feature. You will then have the option to choose an existing photo from your gallery or capture a new one. For this tutorial, I will use the same photo. Now PhotoCut's advanced AI technology takes over. It operates swiftly and efficiently, eliminating the need for any manual intervention on your part. And just like that, your image's quality is improved, leaving it ready for any creative endeavor you have in mind. However, PhotoCut's offerings don't stop there. When exporting your edited photo, you are given the choice between PNG and JPG formats. Moreover, PhotoCut ensures that you don't have to compromise on quality. It allows you to select your preferred resolution to guarantee that your photo remains sharp and vibrant in any setting. And that's how you effortlessly improve the quality of any image using AI. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and subscribe for more awesome videos. Also, don't forget to take your photo editing to the next level by downloading the PhotoCut app. Available now on both the Play Store and App Store. Click the link in the description to download PhotoCut and start creating stunning images today. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.